to remove a card from your IQ Option account, follow these steps. Log into your IQ Option account. Start by logging into your IQ Option account using your email and password. Go to the payment section. Once logged in, navigate to the deposit or payment method section. You can usually find this by clicking on your profile or the account settings, depending on the platform version. Select your linked card. In the payment method section, you will see a list of your linked payment methods, including any cards you've used for deposits. Choose the card to remove. Find the card you wish to remove from your account. There should be an option next to the card for remove or delete. Confirm the removal. After selecting the option to remove the card, confirm the action. You may be asked to verify your identity via a confirmation code or email. Check for successful removal. Once the card is successfully removed, ensure that it no longer appears in your list of payment methods. Contact customer support. If you encounter any issues, you can always reach out to IQ Option customer support via live chat or email for further assistance.